The thing you've got to be a little bit careful of is becoming a gold bug, right? And so there's people who, it doesn't matter what happens, it's just buy lots of gold. And it's like, yeah, righto, okay. But what you find out is they're just blind in terms of gold.
There's queues outside the gold shops, like in the shopping centres.
Yeah, but
crazy.
Yeah, but those queues have disappeared. So there may have been some quirk, of something going on. But it just, look, I don't want to dwell on it, but it's just, again, we're saying commodities are the place to be for the next decade, and what we want to do is sort of prove to people that commodities are attractive. Right, that's essentially what I'm saying.
So we've got here. So there's commodities which are, in our opinion, good value. But then we've also got EM sovereign developed.
Yep.
So EM sovereign, is that different to just emerging markets?
That's bonds.
Right. Okay.
Okay. So emerging markets are fairly cheap. They've shot up. Some of them have shot up a lot. Korea's like bolted, but there's still some that are cheap. Right?
So Turkey, commodities, Brazil, and bonds.
Yeah.
And it looks like emerging market forex.
Yep. The thing with bonds is, the argument is, if stocks are expensive, interest rates, the economy tanks, the interest rates fall, and therefore you pick up capital gains on the bond. Right? You buy it at 5%, the interest rates fall to 2%. You've got a bond that's paying 5%. I come along and go, dude, I want that bond paying 5%. And you go, cool. Yeah. It's cost me 92. You can have it for 87. So for 99. So you got to give me more money, right?
Yeah.
So that's the way bonds generally work. But Jacob, if you look at the other end, gold is expensive.
Yeah.
Right. So that's where I want to look at a little bit further and go, okay, let's see if we can help folks by going, yeah, it's good. No, it's bad, or
where would it fit in a portfolio?
Yeah, if you said to me, Steve, it's a PE of 80, I'd be going, okay, listen, I'd be selling more than buying. But if you can say to me, Steve, it's a PE of 10, it's like, okay, well, we might double up here.
Let's get your gold dude on.
Yes.
Short storage. So short stories. Denmark leads through the revolution. Germany, it's about cars and communication. So what are we saying? Basically, Germany's whole infrastructure economy is cars.
Yeah. Well, what happened? There's a couple of things here. Denmark. I'm being smart ass here. Denmark is about minus 20 year to date on the stock market, right?
Shocking.
However, what happened was Denmark ordered 233 buses or something from China, right, to be built in China. Righto, China builds the buses, sends them over. Oi, here's your buses. Cool, great. What Denmark finds out is someone in Beijing can flick a switch and the buses don't work. Right? So that's a bit of an issue. Right?
And
So
they got
Denmark...
233 of these things.
That's exactly right. Right? So ASIO chief Mike Burgess gave a speech this week which said, no prizes for guessing, but one country is trying to hack our water and electricity infrastructure.
Right.
Okay, so, you're sort of picking up the pieces here.